All right, shut up. I'm recording.
Go.
Why are you so close? What's up, guys? It's Dude TV. Dropping another video. And in today's video, we are going to be installing my my AWE track exhaust onto my Audi A3.
Can I get some of that for my box?
There's so much paper.
They sent me a box inside of a box.
I knew I came here for a reason.
Why? Just for paper?
Yes.
What do you need paper for?
To sell my turbo.
Oh. Does anybody want to buy a stock RS3 turbo?
I'm already selling some guy in Canada.
We should assemble this right here. Oh, those are the tips. Look, there's even a spot for a lollipop inside the box.
Why'd they give you 4 tips? You only have
Dual exit.
It's dual exit.
Oh, you're doing dual exit?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take my diffuser off.
And the shielding too.
Yeah.
Hey, I looked up that bus thing.
Usually I skip this part. Alright, hopefully this fucking car won't sound like a Honda Civic with a straight pipe exhaust on it anymore. Look, I have my unpaid interns over here stuffing my exhaust pipe into the back.
We ain't your interns. We're your pit crew.
Alright, this motherfucking cold start on. What? What are you doing, dude? Alright, this is a cold start with Kyle's downpipe. You fuck!
Wait, hold on. I wasn't recording. Do it again.
Oh. Cold start with Kyle's downpipe.
Fuck, I tilted it. Hold on. Redo it again.
With a resonator delete and a stock muffler.
Why'd you stop recording?
I didn't. Sounds like someone's farting.
For a second.
You ever notice it says like my recent?
All right, Cody's gonna start up the crop duster. Beamer versus Audi. On the next episode of Clapped Out Shitboxes PA edition, we have a BMW M5. Minus the M5 and a couple cylinders.
Well, it has a 5 in it.
Yeah.
You just gotta add a 3.
Right. All right, the lighting is really shitty, but here are what my pops sound like. This is the Extreme Pops by Sneaky, so sounds like nothing, dude. It sounds like a Tesla. I watched that video back. Sounds a lot louder on camera. But if you don't know what the AWE track exhaust is, it is literally a straight pipe. So I'll be 3-inch straight pipe from the turbo back again, just like I was on the Subaru. So hopefully it sounds way better. Right now it sounds like a
I just got a brand new check. I just got a brand new check. I just got a brand new check. Now I'm about to go and flex. I just got a brand new check. I just got a brand new check. Now I'm about to go and flex. That little bitch.
Always take selfies on my phone.
Some of them are really funny.
Enjoy your nap.
Okay.
Jeep Life. Where's Dwayne?
Remember these?
Yes.
The entire time that we tried putting these in, it took us like an hour.
We
to
used
try
this
to put
clamp
these in.
for that, and
Yeah,
that's that
we
sticker.
used the wrong clamps.
We-
We
oh
tried
my-
an hour putting this clamp that fit here.
It doesn't
on
matter
a
what Cody
clamp
has to
that
say. There's a
here.
fucking lollipop in this box.
I know. Look, it has its own fucking section inside the styrofoam for a lollipop.
Alright, you go back to your story. Dude, there must have been a lollipop in my intake.
Yeah, probably. Billy took it.
Yeah, they definitely took it.
All right, so
You think that cat that you murdered, the guts are all over here?
this is the exhaust setup. We have our ARM downpipe right down to here where it's V-banded, and then that travels back. Wait, I'm confused. This is the end of the ARM downpipe, and then it comes into my res delete right here, which I think is leaking anyway. So we're gonna take that out and then travel back to the muffler, and then we're taking that big fat suitcase out of there, and we're gonna be straight pipe. But I think we actually have to delete the diffuser and or trim it. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. And then I'm gonna have to buy a diffuser. What the fuck?
Now she pull up, give me sex. Let me tell you about the next. You don't even stop a sec. Little skis and hit it on the side. She don't even show.
How much do you think this exhaust was? Wait, actually, you probably know. Oh shit. Yak's actually doing something.
No, he almost knocked himself out. Yeah, I almost knocked myself out. Alright, what were you saying?
I was gonna say,
That's how you take exhaust off hangers, not with a fancy schmancy tool.
how much do you think this exhaust was? Don't say it if you know it, because I think you might know it.
Probably $1,200.
How much do you think this exhaust was?
How much did you say?
1200. The cat back, it's not 1200. It's gonna probably like $700.
8.
It's a straight pipe too. Cody, how much do you think this exhaust was?
And it's cheaper. Nah, it's 700.
For an
Oh, you know
RS3,
what
it's
it was?
expensive.
So, what do you say? $700?
750.
Nah, it's definitely 100 grand.
800?
Over a grand.
Cody knows.
Straight pipe cat back. If this thing's over a grand, you got scammed.
Well, I got scammed because it was 1200.
Yeah. So wait, I called that.
Yeah. Cody's over.
Audi's kids.
Huh?
It's alright. $1,200.
But I got a lollipop, so you know what's fucked up though? I didn't get stickers.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
I did.
They're in the box. Yeah, they're in the box.
Oh my god. How is the weather up there? Is it hot up there? Cause it's hot down here.
It's hot up here.
This is how you take exhaust hangers out, not with a fancy schmancy tool.
This isn't a fancy schmancy tool. It's just a pair of pliers. I just have my hand there for emotional support.
This thing is fucking huge. So I'm a dumbass and I forgot the converter at my house in a box in my basement with all my Subaru parts. So we have to go back to my house, and it's all Yax's fault.
Pick me up. Why are you waiting to pick me up?
Why is your hands like that? Wait, let me try to.
Because I don't want my ass on your dick. What do you mean my hands like that?
Anyways, that's how you get your back cracked professionally.
Oh, that was actually pretty good, man.
Look at that. Did you see that look he gave you? Alright, so hopefully this shit works. No idea if it's gonna. Alright, so unfortunately the adapter does not fit, so Shmi is gonna have to weld it for me. So I'm probably gonna have to offer him a blowy.
Then we go and make a movie, turn over, no effects. Now her boyfriend throwing subs, that little nigga ain't no threat. I'm sitting back on me, Miss Steady, while I'm holding in my breath. Boom, boom, bow, bow, now you feel it. Nigga that's moving real crazy. I hit the blunt, I take a shot, and now I'm feeling real wavy. I do the dash, I'm going fast, and I just caught the Mercedes. I hit the mall, I drop the bag, you know I do that shit daily. I feed the scene, I do it clean, I just go get it any mean. I like the dollar, like the gual, I get excited by the green. She reached and asked me if I'm hard, I told that's 30 in my jeans. She 21, but say I'm cute, but then she fucking with
Fucking looks for my bag of cones, there's my trunk still, and there's literally a fucking extension. Wait, I don't think it matters anyway, because
Get it out of my hair.
no, you know what?
There's nothing in your hair.
No, there was something in her.
Yeah, there was.
I don't think it matters anyway, because the full exhaust is 3-inch, and that's not 3-inch.
Yeah, but that's because you remember how it gets smaller? The pipe that we took off?
Where?
This one.
Yeah, that was sent with my downpipe though. That was sent with my downpipe.
Maybe you're right.
It wouldn't have worked anyway.
It's still good to have.
Yeah, whatever. I mean,
You sure?
yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Yo, shout out to Shmi for globbing that fucker up real quick.
On a very serious note,
With all the ops.
I was sleeping when they were going off.
I just seen
Dude, there was something right there.
You seen that?
Yeah, there
Dude, it
was.
was definitely a rat.
There was.
I swear to God.
Where?
6'9"? Where's 6'9"? Hey, that looks like shit. Dude, shouts out to the gang unit helping me put this on. Except Cody.
where the nut comes here.
Shit.
Alright, that right side's looking a little low. I love this. It's gotta go back up.
Yeah, this side's way long.
Yeah, put it back up. So I feel like this is sitting down pretty far.
Besides the other? Are you moving the tips or the clamps?
This thing. Just this end.
Elber.
Say that. Oh, that's nice.
What?
This to that plastic, and look how much closer that. Like that one's a lot farther than that one. To the plastic, so it looks weird.
I don't know.
Put it in.
I'm done.
Fuck, why didn't you?
Grab the socket.
Morning.
Remember Jordan's sheet?
I caught a bunch of spiders in my mouth.
Bring your fucking shots. The shot. Oh, I am now. The shots? No, because you work here.
I just like driving death traps. Each other.
Do you see your TikTok videos? You were
And I still have fucking 3,500 followers,
How many
bitch.
videos do you post?
In the future.
Alright, so the car is obviously loud as fuck. Shmee fucked up a little bit. I think his weld's fucked up.
I didn't even look.
Oh, look. So you just got him on the ground for nothing.
Yeah, I couldn't see shit. That shit's way like in the middle of the car.
You're gonna piss me off. That's like every day.
Look at him.
Just remember, you have no hood on your car.
Guys, we're fucking with you.
No, there is some black there. There was some black, right?
I was gonna say, you're gonna have this kid pissed.
Dude, look, there's nothing.
Oh, okay. I didn't see shit. I was just telling you.
So where do you think it is? It's probably the air
It's
gap you were
probably
talking
the- yeah,
about.
it's probably the clamp.
Okay. I can do that at home. I could just fucking...
I couldn't see shit when I went
See,
on
that's what he
there.
does for a living.
Stop it, right? Sure.
It's tough, man.
Go ahead, one more. Yo, imagine Shmee gets pulled over in my car. Alright, let's see if Schmizzle fucking beat her or not. Did Schmizzle beat on it? No, dude, he's alright. He's within parameters of not having to buy me a motor. Alright, my dad is gonna be really excited to hear my exhaust. Same with my mother. It's really not that bad. I just want to see what you think.
Our neighbors are gonna hate us.
What?
Our neighbors hate us.
Alright, this shit is extremely fucking loud, and I might consider putting a resonator on it. I know, I might seem bitch made for that, but I might have to do it because this is my daily, and it's loud as fuck. This video was not a how-to at all, but if you guys are interested in installing one of these on your car, if you have an A3, just know that there is some fabrication needed. The exhaust came and it did not fit, but also I had an ARM downpipe. I don't know if it was because the ARM downpipe is shorter than original, or I don't know if the ARM downpipe is just shorter than what the AWE exhaust requires. But if you guys want that on your A3, no, you will have to take off your diffuser or buy an S3 diffuser and have that installed, or install it yourself. I just took mine off, and I will be buying an S3 diffuser in the future. So basically, the two big things about this exhaust install is it needs fabricated, at least mine needed fabricated, and I needed to remove my diffuser. I do have a small exhaust leak because when Shmi fabricated that exhaust bit for me, we made it probably a 1/4 inch too short, and there's an air gap in the original piping and that new pipe that we made. So all I have to do is smush the pipes together more and tighten it up real nice. Other than that stuff, guys, it is a super straightforward install. You guys can do this on your garage floor if you need to. And before I head out, I just wanted to say a couple things, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support you guys are giving me. I'm fucking starting to really gain some traction on YouTube, so it's really helping out. I probably gained like 500 subscribers in like a week. It's fucking awesome, guys. Thank you so much. I want to do this for my fucking job. This is going to be my career. It's your choice if you hop on the train now or later. But guys, this is what I'm doing. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be fucking big. Promise. Mark my words. If you came over from TikTok, I really appreciate that also. I know the short form content and the long form content are completely two different things, but if you guys are supporting me on both platforms, I really appreciate that. You have no idea how much it means to me. And if you guys are interested in copying some merch, I am dropping I Love Fire merch very shortly. There was a hiccup with delivery. It got delivered to my old house, and my shirt guy did not realize that I moved. If you guys are interested in that dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. It's going to be in the description below, and use code STUTV for 10% off of everything on the website, guys. Shirts, hoodies, banners, oh my, everything. And if you guys need ARM Motorsports parts for your German car, go to armmotorsports.com, and you can also use code STUTV10 for 10% off of everything on the website, guys. That shit is crazy. I have ARM parts all over this car, unmatched fucking engineering on them, amazing parts, and they're amazing parts for a low price. I know I say it all the time, guys, but you literally have no idea how much it means to me that you guys watch the videos, and if you're still here at the end, that's what counts the most, guys. That's what gets me watch hours. That's what gets me closer to making this my full-time job. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Basically, but that's it. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful week, wonderful month, wonderful year, wonderful fucking life. Peace out, guys. Bye.
I just got a brand new check, now I'm about to go and flex. That little bitch that used to dumb me, now she pull up, give me sex.